All right, guys, we have got to get this place cleaned up. Look at this mess. Now, this right here is not part of that. That was stuff I was pulling out from behind my desk and all the Ethernet cables I had because I kind of moved my PC the other day. But my desk is a mess. Over here, we've got all the stuff from my Whatnot live streams kind of propped up over there because that's where I do all that kind of stuff. But it is an absolute mess in here. As you guys know, I had that ankle injury. I can finally walk and put weight on the foot and stand and all that kind of stuff. I've been doing that for a couple weeks now. So it is kind of feeling better to the point where I'm comfortable kind of trying to clean this up and putting weight on my foot and moving stuff around. So now that that is better, I'm going to start organizing this stuff. I'm shooting this video on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I know it is an absolute mess in here, but like I said, before you guys leave any comments down below, for about 6 months, 7 months, I was on crutches. I could not, move a lot of stuff around. So I was very limited into what I could do. So a lot of the stuff had to stay on my desk, had to stay close by to my desk, like this kind of stuff over here. Like the stuff I was reviewing, it was just getting thrown about. So now that I'm a little bit more mobile, we're going to work on cleaning this up and reorganizing some stuff. I might put my big monitor over here in the corner. I want to see how that's going to work with the drawers over here and see how that is, if it's comfortable to sit that way. But we're going to get this cleaned up, and I'm going to do a little bit of a video here, kind of like a vlog style video on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, getting everything cleaned up along the way. All right, so I'm over here organizing this corner so I can get everything. I think I'm going to put my monitor, the big monitor right here. And then this one, I think I'm going to try to mount it right here next to it, but like vertical. So it's, flipped. Because I usually use this one just for like OBS and YouTube when I'm streaming. I don't usually, drag stuff over to it as like a secondary monitor. It's mainly just to monitor OBS and my live streams when I have a game or something on my big monitor. So I think I'm going to turn that sideways and see how that is. We're going to see how it fits over here. I might try it over here as well. But I got this. I just cleaning all this stuff up, organizing this, getting rid of a bunch of the old boxes and stuff like that. And then I'm going to work my way over this way and kind of move stuff over here and do all that. So that's where we're at right now. All right, got everything moved around here. Still got some stuff over here to put away and move over, but it's just sitting over there for now. I haven't done it yet. So over here we have the main monitor, keyboard, and all that kind of stuff. And then over here, this is still connected to this setup. It's still the same thing. It's just my second monitor is over here. So I hooked all my streaming stuff up to my Mac Mini. I've got that hub right here. So I've got my Elgato and my microphone all connected to it. So I can be playing games on my PC on this monitor, and then I can have my my Mac over here with OBS open and streaming, and then I can use this setup right here. This is where I'm going to record videos and stuff like that and stream. So when I'm doing my streams, installing stuff on my iPhone or doing software update streams or whatever it may be, or just recording regular videos, it's all going to be right here now. And then this monitor right here, I can see from this area to stream and stuff like that. If I'm playing a game, I can turn the monitor this way, and when I'm sitting right here, I can just look over and see the stream very easily. It looks kind of weird from this angle, but believe me, sitting right here and having it kind of next to you is very easy. I attached the mic arm right here to the arm of the monitor, so it kind of rotates with the monitor, whether I be streaming over here, playing a game like I said, or whether I be over here streaming. The mic kind of orientates itself however it needs to be. I've also got my stream deck right there hooked up, so all that is now tied into the Mac Mini. So I'm going to be doing all my streaming through my Mac Mini, and then my gaming through my PC, like I said. And then the way it works is I have my HDMI switcher right here, so my Mac Mini and my PC main monitor go into here, and the output of the switcher goes into the Elgato. So whatever is being inputted on this main monitor right here is also going through the Elgato, so I can put it up on OBS and you know, see whatever it is on this monitor right here. So that's how all that works. That's the new setup. Got it all cleaned up, looking pretty nice. I've still got to organize some like the wires back there, but I had everything plugged in just to do some testing. I can't get my webcam utility working on my Mac Mini for my Canon camera, so I did order a stream cam link from Elgato. So when that gets here tomorrow, I'll be able to use my camera with my Mac Mini for streaming again. So very, very nice. I kind of like this setup. Can't wait to try it out with some streaming and stuff like that and see how it goes. But that's what it looks like. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.